Hello, my name is Izuddin Hanif bin Ahmad Usni and I am studying in Bachelor of Electronic System Engineering. This is my computer integrated manufacture mini project. As you can see, the title of this project is Object and Barcode Detection with YOLOv4 Tiny. So the objective of this project is to increase the effectiveness of barcode scanning using drone in warehouse and to reduce the time taken for drone to find the item and barcode. This is an autonomous drone flight routine for item barcode scanning. This method was much easier and faster compared to the traditional method of scanning, especially for the item on top of the shelf. So, why YOLOv4 Tiny was chosen instead of other object detection algorithm? From this graph, we can see that YOLOv4 Tiny has bigger number of FPS and 42% on average position, which make it suitable for real-time object detection for low performance processor. This was the advantage and disadvantage of using YOLOv4 Tiny for the object detection. As we can see here, it has fast inference time, compatible with CPU, compatible with low performance GPU, and also has less time of training the object detection. For the disadvantage, we have here low accuracy compared to YOLOv4. It has 29 pre-trained convolution layers, high probability for misdetection, high chance of overfitting during training because of the low parameter. Here the demonstration for YOLOv4 Tiny using Google Colab. As you can see here, we need to set the GPU for the notebook setting. And for the first test, I mount the Google Colab with Google driver. After the Google Colab and Google Drive has been mounted, and check the NVIDIA version. Then unzip the barcode detection in the Google Drive. After that, make the file from the Google Drive. So I'm using here is .NET framework. After that, install docs2 units because some of the file needs to read in docs2 units, and define a helper function to display the image. After that, I upload the image to be detected in the folder. As you can see here the folder. Upload image. And you can see here there is the image, and run the detection with threshold value 25%. So here the image does not show yet because we need to run the IM show to the prediction image that's saved in the file. As you can see here the result from the training in the Google Colab. This was the result for the real-time detection. As you can see here, I'm using Linux operating system to run this program, object detection. You can see here the yellow tiny able to detect the object and also the barcode. In conclusion, fast barcode detection was able to be achieved, and also position of barcode and object was much easier to be located. That's all for me. Thank you.